The MAXVAC Supra SV1-470-MBS is a single-phase industrial vacuum cleaner with 3 bypass motors. Excellent M-class filter efficiency with a manual filter cleaning system. Each motor is managed by an independent switch, permitting the operator to control the power levels, leading to a variable performance ability. It is suitable for dusts, shavings and particulates. The vacuum cleaner is also available with a Longopac bagging system, very useful for heavy dusts. If it is the drum MBS variant, the material is collected inside a 100-litre painted container, which is easily removable and transportable thanks to its 4 independent wheels. The filtration is guaranteed by an M-class polyester filter. The star shape enables air to flow through the filter with great efficiency, working to a level of approximately 1 micron, which will protect operators and the environment.